Reports can be created from tables or queries. A simple report is the most basic and simple kind of report. A simple report lists all the fields and records for a single table without any special features. To create a simple report, select your table or query. I'm going to open the navigation pane and we'll select the customer table. Click on the Create tab. Select the Reports group and click on the Report button. Access generates a report for you in Layout View. To create a report using the Report Wizard, have your database open. Click on the Create tab. In the Reports group, click on the Report Wizard. The Report Wizard allows us to design a report using one or more tables and queries. I am going to choose the rep table, because my report's going to be clients by representative. I would like the rep number, the rep's first name, and the rep's last name. Now I will add some fields from the customer table, and I would like the customer's name, their balances, and their credit limits. Click Next, and I want to view by rep, so this looks fine. Here I can add grouping levels, but I don't need those right now. Sort order, I will sort by customer name. Click Next. Here you choose a layout, and this can be changed later. And orientation, which can also be changed later. And I will choose landscape. Click Next. Here we can choose a style, which again can be changed later if you like to tweak it or doesn't make somebody happy. Click Next. Enter a title for your report, and mine will be Customers by Sales Rep. And click Finish to preview the report in Print Preview mode. If I close Print Preview, it opens in Design mode. Click on the View button, and I can choose a view in Report View. And here's my report, listing sales rep and representative number order. And within each sales rep are the customers in alphabetical order. The views that are available for your report can be accessed on the Home tab. The View button's to the far left, and if you pull down the arrow, you will see a variety of selections. Report View basically shows you a screen view of your report, and nothing is able to be selected or edited. Print Preview shows you your report as it will look printed. So you can see if everything's fitting on the page, and it automatically puts a footer in there, page number and date. Close Print Preview. Design View shows you the kind of a scary looking nuts and bolts view of your report, used for adding a lot of detail and really customizing the report. Layout View looks like Report View, except you are allowed to select fields and edit them, and select different sections and edit the report. For example, I'm going to select this title and give it a bold. I'm going to fix these report headers and fix the titles so it looks more user-friendly. And we can adjust the the column sizes. spread things out a bit. I can select these headers and give them a new look. Hold down the Shift button and select each one individually. And maybe I'll bold and underline. So I like that. If you want to fix the body of the report, click on any field, any selection in the column, and you can change the font size or the font face to be something that you like better. If you want everything to match, this allows you to change the row sizes. So let's click this. Click on the Format Painter. And click over here. Actually, double click it to keep it selected. And then click everything that needs to be fixed. Turn it off and fix this column a little bit. And there's our report. Click on Save to save your changes. Now I'm going to show you how to add totals to the Customers by Sales Rep report. Open up the report, which opens in Report View. I would like to see it in Layout View, which gives me the Report Layout Tools group with some more tabs. I'm on the Format tab, which has the Grouping and Totals group. I would like to see totals for the credit limits. So I click on something in that column, and then I click on Totals up here in the Grouping and Totals group. Here I have a variety of functions that are available to me, and I'm going to choose some. And we have the credit limits being totaled, subtotaled by group, and grand total at the end. Now to show you how you would add a group and sort if you did not do that in the Report Wizard. You would select Layout View, which gives you the Report Layout Tools, and you have your Format tab in the Grouping and Sorting, or the Grouping and Totals group. Click on Group and Sort. And the Group and Sort window opens at the bottom, and click on Add a Group button. We want to group by a representative number, and we would like to add a sort and sort on customer name. Click on More on your group selection, and you can see that we have chosen to total the balance and the credit limit. And we would like to see these show in the group footers. And we would like to check on the credit limit and also show that in the group footer. Now we're going to close the Group Sort and Total window. And you see we still have representatives' names appearing over and over within each group in the detail, and really doesn't add anything to the report. And so it would be better if they were showing up in the group header. But before I go to Design View to fix that, I'll show you a little bit about the auto format. Here you can choose different styles for the report. And I like the one we just had. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to stick with that. And I'm going to go to Design View, clicking on the View button and Design View. And here we see the report broken down into more of a skeleton view. Design View is used for advanced report design and doing some really customized things with your reports. For example, you can move your title. Report headers show once at the beginning of a report. Page headers show the top of every page and usually contain the column headings. Group headers appear at the beginning of every group. Currently, our group header contains nothing but a representative number. Detail shows the detail that is contained within a group. Group footers they're optional, so group headers. This one is being used to contain our sum or subtotals. Page footers appear at the bottom of every page, and the Report Wizard has automatically created a timestamp and a page number for us. Report footers occur once at the end of the report, and in this case contain our grand totals. So to move these names up, these controls, I would hold down the Shift key and select them both, and then click and drag them up. To make sure they all align, I'll click on all three of these controls, click on the Arrange tab, and click on by top. Let's see. It looks like we've accidentally clicked something we didn't want to click. So click to get, now we got what we want. And arrange them by top. Click on the Home tab, View. And now we have our report showing in Report View with the new style that we've applied.